Hey there, this is Kritesh and welcome to TradeBrain's YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss how to use stop loss. I will give you an exact demo of how to use stop loss on Zerodha Kite platform. But first of all, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. We publish new and interesting videos on investing and trading every week. Now, stop loss is one of the most powerful tools provided for the traders in order to limit losses. So let's say you have bought a stock at rupees 100 and you do not want to hold that stock if the prices goes below 90 rupees. So in that case, you can put the stop loss at rupees 90, and whenever price comes to that point, it will get triggered and your order will be exited. So this is a very good tool used by the traders to limit their losses. And moreover, it is also required by traders to maintain the risk reward. So a lot of time the traders goes for different risk reward, 1:2, 1:3, 1:4. So most of the time this is based on the stop loss they have kept. For example, if you have kept a stop loss of 10 point, you have bought at 100, you want to sold it at 90, and if you want a risk reward of 1:2, in that case you can target to exit that trade at 120 rupees. So here you can see the risk reward is 1:2. If you want to have a bigger risk reward, 1:3. So again, you can have a stop loss at 90 rupees and you can exit at 130. So this is what generally traders do in order to limit their losses and have a bigger risk to reward ratio. So let me give you a quick demo of how you can use stop loss on Zerodha Kite platform. So currently market is trading at 18,334 level, and let's say you want to buy a call option of 18,300. However, today is expiry, today is 11th May. We do not want to trade on today's expiry day. The time decay will be very fast. So let's say we want to buy for the next week's option for 18,300 call. So for that we'll go on Zerodha Kite, and here we will search 18,300 call, but instead of 11th May, we will buy for the 18th May. So you just have to click on buy. And here it is showing that it is currently trading at 136 rupees. So let's say we want to do trading for intraday and we want to buy at market price, and we are purchasing 100 quantities. So we will put 100 in the total quantities, market price, intraday, and we will put the buy order. So once you have put the buy order, the order will be executed and you will be holding that one. So here you can see that I have bought at 136.20 and currently it's trading at around 136.550. I have a loss of around 130, 140 rupees on this trade. Now, let's say I do not want to hold this trade if it goes below 126 level. So I can put a stop loss here. In order to do that, you just have to click on these three buttons and you have to click on exit. And here you have to first select the quantity, how much quantity you want to exit. So let's say I have selected 100 quantity. I can use stop loss, and let's say I want to exit if it goes to 126 level, or let's say I want to keep it as 120, and this is the trigger price, and I can also put the overall price as 120. So the trigger price should be a little higher than what the current price is. So 120 I have kept as the price. If you want, you can also keep 119 as the price and 120 as the trigger price. So you can put a sell order here by clicking on this one. So if you click on it and if you go to order book, you can see that there is a pending order. So here this trade will be executed if when the prices goes from current price to 120 level. Now for here you can see I have given order for all the 100 quantities, but it's not necessary that you will put all the orders together. So instead of that, let's say I want to put for 50 quantities, I want to put at 125, and for the next 50 quantities I want to put at 120. So what you can do is you can cancel this order, and again you want to go into your position, click here and click on exit, and you can select 50 quantities, that is one lot, and this you want to exit when the price goes to 125. For the remaining 50 quantities, you can place another order, you can click on exit, and you can put the stop loss as 120, 120. So all the quantities, all the lot that you have bought, you do not need to put all the orders together. In the order book you can see that I have put it in steps, different steps. So by doing that, I do not want to exit all my quantities. I will just reduce my risks in steps, and I will exit only when the prices goes to 125 or 120. So here you can see I have put two stop losses. In addition, if you want to change, you can also modify this one. Instead of 120, if you want to put it as 122, you can just click on modify, and you can change it from 120 to 122. So this is also known as trailing stop loss. So in a lot of cases when the order is in your favor, so let's say you have bought at 136 and it goes to 146, 156. In that case, you do not want to keep the stop loss at that lower level. You might want to move that stop loss above. So you just have to click on modify, and from 122 you can change this to 130, 135 based on how much is the difference and what are your expectations, so that you will reduce the losses. So this is known as trailing stop loss. So by now I hope you have understood how to buy quantities, how to buy stocks, and how to put stop loss. Now let me show you how you can do the same for option selling. So when you are doing option selling, first you are selling a contract and later you are buying a contract. So for example, let's say you also want to sell 18,200 put option. So you just have to search 18,200 and let's say we are selling it also for the next week. So for the next week, you can see that the price is around 52.30. We want to buy one lot of this one at market. For the intraday, we just have to push the sell order and it will be sold here. So here you can see I have bought it at 52.60. So as a seller, you eat out all the premium. So the maximum that you can make is from 52.60 to 0 rupees. However, I also want to limit my losses. I do not want that to hold this trade if it goes above 60 rupees. So here also you can put a stop loss. For doing that, you just have to click on this button and click on exit. And here you can again put a stop loss. Let's say you want to exit at 60 rupees. You can just put it 60 here. And whenever the prices of this option goes to 60 rupees, in that case, the order will be executed and the positions will be closed. So you just have to put this one buy and you can see that it is placed in your order book. So for the option buying, we have put 2 stop losses on different quantities, and for the option selling, we have put 1 stop loss for this one. Let's say if you want to execute it instantaneously, let's say you do not want to hold it anymore. In that case, if you want to change it, you just have to click here and you have to modify and you can select the market price. If you click on the market price, it will be executed instantaneously. So for example, here I will click on market and I will click on modify. So here you can see it has been executed and my position will be closed on that trade that I have taken, 42,200 put option selling. And the same one, let's say for this one also, there are currently 2 orders in the open order books. If you do not want to keep this one, you can just click on it and you can cancel both the 2 orders here. You just have to click this one and you can cancel this one if you want to cancel the order. In addition, if you want to exit, you can also directly exit from the here also, from your position also. You just have to click on exit and you can put it on the market price and you can exit all the quantities that you are holding. Just click on sell button. After doing, all the positions will be sold. However, you will have some open positions in your open order books. So whenever you are closing your position, you make sure that you close all the open positions. So I will just select both of these and I'll click on cancel 2 orders and I will cancel these. So this is basically how you can place order, put the stop loss order for options buying and options selling. You can also trail your orders. Once you have put a stop loss, it doesn't mean that you need to just keep that one on one place. You can move the stop loss, trail stop loss if it goes in your favor. In addition, if you are doing trading with multiple lots, if you have bought multiple quantities, you can also put stop loss in different steps. So that is all for this video. I hope you have understood how to use stop loss on your orders. In addition, if you want to learn how to do options trading, if you want to learn how to do options buying, how to do options selling, how exactly to find the entry price, how exactly to find exit price, how exactly to use support, resistance, technical indicators and all. In order to do that, you can visit our platform joinfingrad.com. So you just have to go on joinfingrad.com and here you will be able to see all the best courses which are made by market experts on our platform. You just have to go down and here you will be able to see the courses on options trading masterclass, technical analysis, and you can choose the courses according to your preference. So that will be all for this video. I hope it was useful to you. If you have learned anything new, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting trading videos. This is Kritesh signing off. Thank you.